And the last section is dividing. When you have two numbers that you are dividing, the first one is called the dividend, which is the one that would go inside the division box. And the second one would be the divisor. So if I had like 24 divided by 12, we would get 2. And 2 is your quotient. You need to know that number, or that word. The answer to a division problem is called the quotient. Find the actual. Again, don't find the estimate, just the actual. Number 1, the dividend, or the first number, goes inside the division box. 2, you're going to divide until you run out of numbers. 3, the remaining number, if you have one, is called the remainder. All right, so let's try these. So I have 5028 divided by 3. So when you do these, you're gonna go one at a time. Don't try to find a number that you multiply by 3 to get all of this. Just go piece by piece. 3 goes into 5. What can I multiply by 3 to get something close to 5? Well, that would be a 1. Because 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract, bring down 1 digit. What can I multiply by 3 to get something close to 20? 6. Because 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract, you have to borrow. Bring down your next digit. What can I multiply by 3 to get something close to 22? That would be 7. Because 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract, bring down. What can I multiply by 3 to get 18? 6, because 6 times 3 is 18. And that problem is done because 1, we ran out of numbers, and 2, we got 0 for a remainder. Okay, next one. 12059 divided by 23. Now, 23 can't go into 1 because there's nothing that you can multiply by 23 and get 1. There's nothing that you can multiply by 23 and get 12. So we're going to take 23 into 120. So off to the side, I'm going to take 23 times 2, and I get 46. 23 times 4, I get 102. So I'm getting closer. 23 times 5, 15, 11. Is that right? 5 times 3, 10, 11, 115. That's probably the closest. Let's go with that, 5. And I get 115. Subtract, can't take 5 from 0, so I'm going to borrow. And I get 5. That would be a 0, that would be a 0, so I'm going to bring down my next digit. 23 goes into 55, or what can I multiply 23 by to get something close to 55? Well, if I look at the numbers that I already tried, my answer would be 2. So I like to leave all of my work there so I can just refer back to it if I need it. So 23 times 2 is 46. Subtract by borrowing because you can't take 6 away from 5, so you have to make it a 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Bring down your other 9. So now I need a number that I multiply 23 by to get something close to 99. Well, 2 got me 46. 4 got me too much, so let's try 3. 3 is 69, so let's do the 3. No, that's not right. Did I do something wrong? 2. Teacher made a mistake, hold on. Oh, this is not 102. I made a mistake right there. 23 times 4, 8 is 92. So this is going to be a 4, And this is going to be a 9 and a 2. Subtract, you get 7. So since I'm out of numbers, that means I'm going to have a remainder of 7.